Welcome to Sebastian's Journey. Today we're taking the historic boat tour on the River Spree in Berlin. The tour starts here right next to the Berlin Cathedral, and we're very close to Alexanderplatz. Let me quickly show you. This is the TV tower, the Berlin TV tower at Alexanderplatz. So it's very central. From here we can go all the way to the House of the World's Cultures. If you haven't seen my video about walking along the Spree, also watch this. Taking the boat might be a good way to then come back here in the center of Berlin. Audio commentary on the boat is in German, and there's an English translation and also other languages available for a small fee. The Berlin Cathedral, or as it is in German, the Berliner Dom, is one of the things you definitely also should visit, not just by boat. It's very central under den Linden, and you're able to go in there and visit it from the inside. It's really great. You have to pay a little bit of fee. If you think that a good cathedral in its actual sense is the seat of a bishop, this church actually has never been a cathedral. It has never been the seat of a bishop, but still in Germany it's called the Berliner Dom, the Berlin Cathedral. The Museum Island is what comes directly after the Berlin Cathedral, and in the opposite side, this is where we kind of like started a walk along the Spree, or actually came to the Spree and started a walk. If you want to, also look at my other video. After passing by the S-Bahnhof Friedrichstraße, we very soon come to the famous Reichstag building. From the boat you can just see a small part of it. Now we're going back, and you have the chance to see like the central station and all the other things you've already seen, or you've maybe missed something. Now you're looking at it from the other side. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I would like to ask you to support me and my channel. You can do that in several ways, and none of them involve any money. First, if you haven't done already, click the thumbs up button below and rate the video. Second, subscribe to my channel. This will help me grow the channel and reach more people. And if you've done that, also click the bell icon next to it so you get informed when I post new videos. The third thing is, please write a comment. If you have anything to ask, any questions, any additions, or anything to say about the video, please leave me a comment. There's a fourth thing, I have a Twitter and an Instagram channel, links are in the description below. You can also subscribe there. I post some background information, some shooting images in there. There's a fifth thing, that I have some links in the description that lead to products that are related to this video, or that products that I use for filming. And last, if you think of any way that we can collaborate and do something together, then feel free to contact me and let's see what comes out of it. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice day.